Let's make a chewy brown sugar cookie today. Here I have 3/4 cup of melted butter that I have melted, and I have cooled that slightly. To that I'm going to add 1 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and I'm going to kind of pack that down in there. And when they say pack, you don't have to stand on it. All you have to do is just kind of tap that down in there where it's nice and smooth. There's 1 cup. And 3/4. Mix that in just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of vanilla. Sounds like a lot, but you're going to need it. So 1 tablespoonful of vanilla. And here I have 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. And I'm just going to beat them all in together and mix that up. This little cookie recipe is so easy. Here in another bowl, I'm going to mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to kind of mix that up with my fork, stir it around a little bit. And I'm now going to add that to my brown sugar mixture. These little cookies are great mid-morning snack with a cup of coffee or an afternoon little pick-me-up. Okay, we are now going to set this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and kind of let that harden up just a bit. Okay, our 30 minutes is up. I have here, this is a cookie scoop, and it's going to hold about, close to anywhere from 1.5 to 2 tablespoonfuls of cookie dough. Going to take that out and just kind of roll him around a little bit, make him nice and round. Roll him in my sugar. This is what makes the cookie a little crisp on the outside and soft and pillowy on the inside. Put it on a piece of parchment paper. We're going to finish those up. I've got my oven set at 350. Okay, these are ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes.